Welcome you all to this session on IIC session on it's basically a workshop for IP management. So first of all, I would like you to show a PPT related to IP management, which has been shared by the Institute's Innovation Council itself. So let's see that PPT first of all, and then in the later part of the session, we will be joined by our guest speakers, Dr. Shweta from Innoval IP, Senior Advocate Apurv Harshji, and later on with Advocate Mahima, who will talk about the different facets of IP management and what IPR is basically, and why you should be aware of it. Okay, students? So I'm now just sharing the screen with you. Have a look at the PPT, and I would request to jot down the important points that you find during this session.
Myself, Sanjeev Majumdar. I'm working as a manager at NRDC, National Development Corporation. Many of you have heard the name of the NRDC. It's Government of India enterprise, basically involved in technology transfer. So, I have been assigned by this activity, and just I will try to touch upon the basics. And if any questions, you can write us. So again, welcome to all students and mentors and faculties and IIC ecosystem partners. While beginning with IP, many of us research literature. There is a definition for intellectual property right,
where you can actually put down the money and make money out of it, right? Then doing IP research, you will be always doing a focused research. That means you will generate, maybe reading others' patent or reading others' IP, you generate a new idea of doing some kind of changes in those or be bringing some modification or improvement in the present idea. And always as a company, you gain a competitive intelligence, because this IP is a competitive pillar for any business. Two businesses, if you see, मैं बहुत simple example दे रही हूँ यहाँ पे, Apple और Samsung हमेशा लड़ते रहते हैं. Both of them have this IP competitive intelligence, and both of the companies are relying 100% on IP intelligence only, not the market or business intelligence that comes later, because they both are product-based companies. They are surviving on their IP. अगर एक मैं सिर्फ आईफोन का एग्जांपल दूं, तो एक आईफोन मोर देन 1000 पेटेंट से कवर्ड होता है. और ट्रेडमार्क, इन सारे केसेस में अगर आपको इंफ्रिंजमेंट दिखाना है, अगर आपको दिखाना है कि किस बेसिस पे सामने वाला पार्टी जो है आपके राइट को इन्फ्रिंज करना है, तो यू हैव टू एस्टैब्लिश अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग केस. यू हैव टू कम आउट एज अ बोनाफाइड यूजर ऑफ दैट मार्क, of that artistic work which you have authored, which you have produced, which you have, जो आपने किया है. Now coming on to the second case law which is very important, और ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग केस था, 2017 का था, नीतू सिंह वर्सेस राजीव सौमित्रा. अगर अभी भी आप अमेजोन पे जाएंगे, एक किताब है जिसका नाम है इंग्लिश फॉर जनरल कॉम्पिटिशन फ्रॉम प्लिंथ टू पैरामाउंट. प्लिंथ इज द स्टोन, लाइक इज द स्टेपिंग स्टोन, जो सबसे छोटा स्टोन होता है. पैरामाउंट इज द जो सबसे हाईएस्ट पीक रहता है. तो एक किताब आती है इंग्लिश की जिसका नाम हमने बता दिया. अगर आप अमेजोन पे जाएंगे तो अमेजोन में बहुत लोगों ने उस किताब को रिव्यू पे लिखा हुआ है दैट आई हैव रिसीव्ड अ फेक कॉपी, बाकायदा रिव्यू में आया हुआ है. तो ये कहानी ऐसी होती है कि 1982 में पिटिशनर, दैट इज नीतू सिंह, अगेन पिटिशनर इज द वन हु हैज फाइल्ड दिस केस. नीतू सिंह ने एक केस फाइल किया बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट में, दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट में, ये कहते हुए कि ये इंग्लिश की जो किताब है, ये किताब मेरी किताब है, और इस किताब को डिफेंडेंट नंबर 1 एक आदमी थे जिनका नाम राजीव था. डिफेंडेंट नंबर 2 वो कंपनी थी, प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी, जिस कंपनी में नीतू जी खुद भी एक डायरेक्टर थे.
And if you actually go through the patent act, you'll actually see that the patent of chair, the claims and all, everything is there on the patent domain, the website of the Indian Patent Registry and the registrar. So how exactly it's patentable? So everything which is there. So a novelty has to be defined. Claims, what exactly you claim in a patent. So it has a subject line that, okay, it's not the key, a chair is a patentable thing. So a device which is required for a person to sit with arms rest and back rest. So this is the subject line of a patent.